Thank you. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. So we have joined with the team of Borderland University authorities are Dr. Shubham Bosumatari, who is registered in Borderland University, and Dr. Manjil Bosumatari, academic registered, Borderland University. And we have Dr. Birfung Narjari, joint registered in the same university, and Dr. Sharmishta Kumar Brahmo Kaur, assistant professor, Department of Biotechnology.
Very nice.
And myself, Pranesh Devnath. Sir, have you joined? Okay. So, let's start our discussion, sir.
Yeah, this is the Academic Register Borderland University. So today, first of all, I would like to welcome our respected Professor Barik. We are very much pleased to have you here in our online meeting. And I also, on behalf of the university, take this opportunity to welcome all our respected members who have joined the meeting. So we are very much pleased to have our respected professor today in our meeting. As we have been hearing that our professor has been planning since last few days to visit our university. In that connection, today's this online meeting has been arranged from the Borderland University. And just I would like to brief the gathering. The thing is that the Borderland University has decided for a youth festival starting from today, 15th of February to 18th of February. And in this meet, many of our youngsters, young students who are studying in the colleges, they are coming to participate. They will be coming from today and they will be in our university for 3 days. So during this festive season, we would like to have our respected professor who is planning to come to our university. I think our students who will be gathering here, they will get the opportunity to interact with our respected professor who is a renowned professor of the world and who has been considered as the youngest professor of the world. So in that connection, I think we can proceed with the discussion. If anything to be discussed in the meeting, I will request our, especially the respected member who is taking the initiative. I just, on behalf of the university, would like to hear from our respected professor who is planning to come over here at Borderland University. So I would like to hear something from you.
Right. So yeah. I will be able to come. It's great that you're holding this festival. I would also like to know, what is the festival about? What is the main theme of the celebration?
It is called Inter-College Youth Festival, where the students of the affiliated colleges, the Borderland University has got about 60 affiliated colleges under its jurisdiction. So all these colleges, the students who are studying in the colleges, they will be coming to the university to participate. And in this festival, youth festival, we have different types of competitions where our students will be participating. So that is how this program has been arranged. And what we are planning is that, as we have heard that you are planning to visit our university, for you, we have scheduled a program on 18th of February, which happens to be the last day of our festival. So in that very program, there will be an interaction session for an hour where you'll be there as our guest.
Great. So I'll make sure to hopefully meet the needs of the audience. Going from JFK, I will be departing on February 16th. I will be arriving in Delhi on February 17th. And so that means that I can make it to Guwahati on February 18th. Now, from what I heard, it's a little far from Guwahati to Bodoland University. So I think the map said it was 4 hours, but I may be wrong. So is there any way to escort me from Guwahati to Bodoland University, or do I have to do it on my own resources?
No, it is planned like this. You will be arriving at Guwahati Airport. It has been planned from the university to receive you there at the airport. Some of our faculties will be there at the airport to receive you there.
Right, thank you. So that addresses my concern. So also, is there a specific topic that you would like me to cover during the interactive session, or does anything work?
Yeah, as I have mentioned that the students who are coming from the colleges, they are very, very young. They are studying in the college. Their age ranges from say 18 to like 21, like that. So this age group people will be there in the festival, and along with that, our those who are doing their masters and those some of them they are doing research. All of them they will be here together. So they will be interested to listen to you, and hopefully your presence in the program will definitely make it a different one, what we are looking for.
Great, thank you. So I'm definitely looking forward to interacting with that audience. Most of the time, I only interact with audiences under 18 or much older than 21. So it's great that I'll be able to talk with people who are actively researching or studying in college.
Right.
All right. So those are the main concerns that I have. And also, have you scheduled a specific time of day?
Yeah, the date which we have fixed for you, it is 18th of February, and the timing of interaction is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. It is about 1 hour timing that we have provided for you there in the session. So that very interaction session will be just before the valedictory function of our youth festival. So where all of us trying to get there. So their interaction program will be, and at the same time, we have also invited some of our guests from the locality. They will also be there.